Install the brake light kit. Loosen the nut on the brake adjuster rod just enough to insert the small notched bracket in between. Then, tighten the nut to secure the notched bracket in place. First, assemble the spring switch bracket, spring switch, and spring. Connect the spring to the notched bracket, then position the mount bracket assembly 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch below the floorboard so that the spring is taut, but not under tension. Hold the spring switch bracket firmly in place and fasten it to the brake well wall with the 2 provided self-tapping screws. A second set of hands will make this step easier. Connect the 2-prong connector to the brake switch and set aside. To install the breaker, first connect the red male bullet connector to the red wire on the bucket harness. Second, connect the longest red wire from the 2-prong connector and brake switch to any pin on the breaker. Third, connect the red male bullet connector spade to the remaining pin on the breaker. To install the delay timer, first connect the short red wire from the 2-prong connector to pin mark 2 on the delay timer. Second, connect the red female bullet connector to the orange wire on the bucket harness. Then connect the spade end to pin mark number 1 on the delay timer. Third, connect the black wire from the bucket harness to the pin mark 3 on the delay timer. Finally, nest the cables in the brake well. DoubleTake, because looks matter.